How to download PS4 app. So let's see in this video. First of all, open up your Google and in the search bar tap and search for the app to it. After that you will see the link, tap on the link and here you will see the search bar, tap on the search bar and search for the PS4 app. After that scroll down and search for the True PS4 app and tap on download, and here the download has started and here the app will be downloaded as a file, so tap on download, and after downloading you have to install it in your device, and finally in this way you can download PS4 in your device. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more tutorial videos like this. If you need any tutorial videos on any topics, don't hesitate to comment down below and let us know. Thank you for watching till the end.